Hi first grade friends, it's Miss Pinto, and today you're going to be working on number grid puzzles. So a number grid puzzle is when we take a part of our number grid out and we look at just that part of it and some of the numbers are missing. So you need to use what you know about the number grid to help you fill in the missing pieces. So we've done a lot of work with the number grid and different patterns and things that we see in it. So we know that when we're going across the number grid, we're counting by ones, and if we're going forward, we're adding one. If we're going backwards, we're taking away one. We know that when we go down the number grid, we're adding 10, and we go up the number grid, we're taking 10 away. So knowing things like that is going to help you fill in the missing pieces of your number grid puzzles. And we've also talked about things like numbers being in the same family. So maybe you notice as you're going down the number grid that all of the numbers end in 8. They have an 8 in the ones place, and the first number, the number in the tens place, changes. So knowing things like that is going to help you. Now I have 2 YouTube videos that I want you to watch because the people in the videos have a little bit fancier cameras than Miss Pinto has. So they do a better job of showing you the different patterns on the number grid than I could show you. So then after you watch those 2 videos, I want you to practice on your own the number grid puzzles that we have posted for you. Now the important thing is that you don't look at a number grid until after you've filled it in. It's great to use a number grid to help you check your answers, but you don't want to be looking at it while you're doing your work. You want to be using your brain and what you know about number grids to help you fill in those missing pieces, okay? And this is actually the last lesson that I'm going to be doing with you because next week is the last week of school and we're going to be celebrating your learning. There's going to be a little review activity that you can do, but when you're with your teacher in your Google Meets meeting, you're going to be celebrating all the hard work that you've done in these 7 weeks online and all the hard work we did when we were together at school. So I'm sure your teacher is looking forward to that. I'm looking forward to doing that with my class. So that's what you're going to be working on today. And you'll be meeting with your teacher next week to celebrate all the great things that you've done. So make sure you watch the videos that I posted and practice your number grid puzzles on your own. All right, until next time, my little mathematicians, be kind, play hard, and work harder.